Okay, so, what's my code? I'm gonna try not to explain the code too much because this is the boring nerd part. But, basically all you need to know is this. This is like what controls what the other dude does. Essentially, this is like your different options for stuff, and this is like your turn. And I know none of this makes sense. This shouldn't be here, actually. Okay, but yeah, there's all that. I'm not gonna worry about that though, because that's not the part that matters. This is the part that matters. So what we have here is blackjack, if you can tell. But you have the sum of your current hand, and then you have your like, do you want to hit or stands? I want to hit. I busted, so I lost, and then it gives you the sum of your hand and the sum of the other dude's hand. So, yeah, I played too much. I was too bold with it. So here we have this. I want to hit the CPU. He says hit me, and I'm like going 16. I want to stand. He's gonna stand too, so hit me. I lost. I busted. He was way under it. So hit, and the CPU can bust as well. But the CPU can also hit 21 and win. You can hit 21 and win. The CPU can, at the end, if neither of you go over 21, but he has or they have the closest to 21, they win. So, it's like here, stand, say it aren't 20. You see here, if they were like 19 or 18, they would have won it on me. I want to see if I can get a case where I hit 21 and I win. That's probably not going to happen, but yeah, that's all it is. This was way longer than it had to have been, and I apologize.